Well guys, today I am going to show you how to print a drawing in color and black and white and how to print a drawing. I will show you all these things guys. So mainly there are three ways to go to the printing option. The first one is press Ctrl P in your keyboard. You will be redirected to this box. Now here's guys, you got another icon here, plot. If you press this, you will be redirected to the same plot model dialog box. And again go to the left top corner and press this one and go to print. Here also you will be redirected to the same dialog box. Okay guys. Hi friends, welcome to your favorite YouTube channel Civil Softwares, where you can learn all the softwares related to civil engineering. If you are new to this channel, so please consider subscribing. So let's get started. Now guys, select the printer on which you want to print. Okay. Now I'll let the paper size be A4, and now I'll change the scale. I'll show you guys how to change the scale and these things in the next videos. For now, I'll be showing you how to remove the color printout and black and white printout. Okay. Now take the window, select the window which you want to print. Okay. Now center the plot, and I want it in landscape mode. Now if you want to print it in color, then you must select acats.ctv and select press assign all these plot style tables to all the persons. Now preview the before printing, preview your drawing. When you press on preview, it will be showing you the model, how it will be printed. This one is the model, how it will be printed. Now it will be printed in color. Press escape. Now if you select monochrome.ctv, now preview. Now this one is in black and white. This is how you can change from color to black and white. And if you press this OK button, it will be printed automatically. And this one is the 1:100 scale guys. I will be explaining these things in the next video guys. If you find this video useful guys, then please like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest video notification on your mobile. So thank you guys.